Hi out there.
Everyone.
We're Rohit and Laksh, and we're gonna give you a list of 5 helpful words for your vocabulary. So let's get started. The first one is, you should do it.
First word of the day is cocky.
Cocky.
Cocky, somebody who's arrogant, who is overconfident, one who's kind of brat. Especially we can say the new generation. The new generation, these kids who are just still budding guys, who are just coming out of their eggshell, but they behave like so cocky. These guys and their attitude, they behave as if they know everything. So such kids are known as overconfident, arrogant, brat. So they are called cocky. Stop this nonsense.
I want to say something.
Yeah, please.
It's not exactly the new generation.
Okay.
I'm not cocky.
You are pretty much cocky. Anyways, we'll discuss later. People will get bored. Switch to second word of the day.
And the second one is throaty. And throaty is a person who has, really deep voice. Like, let me tell you an example. Type of that. It's really deep voice. Deep voice.
Husky. And we use there, and at the same time, somebody's like, hey, what are you doing? So this is deep, husky. Or, for example,
where most of those in kids' cartoons, there have a lot of villains, and most of the villains have a deep voice.
And they laugh like, So we can call them throaty laughter.
Throaty laughter. And the third one is, he will tell you.
Nippy. Nippy means chilly,
cold.
Chilly. So it's pretty cute, small word. Nippy. Every morning my father wakes me up to go for a morning walk. So it's pretty nippy morning. We enjoy doing exercise. We enjoy the walk during the winter nippy morning. So fourth word
is the bucket list. Bucket list means that what you want to do before you die, or what you want to experience, what you want to do before you die.
Okay, like?
Before you pass away, for a change. Like my bucket list is to be, have an experience on the spaceship.
Okay.
And
good.
One more. I want to travel to all the countries in the world before I die.
Okay.
These are my 2 things in the bucket list.
Would you like to meet Mr. President, Mr. Trump, or Mr. PM, Mr. Modi, very celebrated personalities of our times?
No, I like to meet Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni, and these time of.
Okay, so they are part of your bucket list.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So then we go to word number 5. What is this? This is a laundry list.
Laundry list. Laundry list means a large list of people or objects. And I want to tell you, it's not the laundry list where your mother, washes your clothes, laundry. It's not like that.
Okay.
It's the other laundry list. A long list of objects or people.
Okay.
And for example, before we went to the picnic, our mother prepared a laundry list of what we needed.
Okay. And during your vacation, I think your ma'am has sent us a long laundry list.
No, it's not a laundry list. It's lesser than usual. It's not that much.
Okay. Anyways, so laundry list is not the list of laundry objects.
Yeah.
It's a list of long objects or number of people. Right? Likewise, I'll just go back to the previous one. Bucket list doesn't mean it talks about the bucket.
Right.
It talks about your experiences, your wishes you want to do before you
pass away. Pass away or you die.
Right. Anything else you want to add?
No.
Okay, so with this we come to end of today's list.
Hold your horses. Is there anything we're missing?
You tell me. I don't think so.
Oh yeah, we're done. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. So like, share and subscribe. And to never miss an update and a video. And bye bye. See you later in the next video. Hope you liked it.